Good morning, YouTube, and welcome back to my channel. It's 2 days before the arrival of Hurricane Helene. It's scheduled to make an appearance on Thursday. So I'm going to go out and see if I can harvest some sweet potatoes and white potatoes in the raised bed that they are in, affectionately known as Muffin's patch. And I'll bring you along to see what we get. So hopefully you can see me. We're here at Muffin's patch. First thing we're going to do is to cut away the vines, and we're probably going to put those in the compost bin. As you can see, these are some very deep and thick vines. Well, we have one sweet potato here. So we've removed all the vines, and now we're going to dig in the soil to see what we have. We have one small potato, white potato. And we have another potato. While this isn't the harvest that I wanted, I am happy with it because in a previous video where I harvested sweet potatoes out of a container, I got skunked. So we got some potatoes. That's good. Next year we'll do more and we'll do better. I'll start them on time. I believe that's what part of the problem is. These were started much later than everybody else normally starts potatoes. So overall, I'm happy with it, and we'll do something with these. I'm going to cure them for a couple of weeks before we do something with them. So I want to thank you for coming along with me while I harvested my first ever grown sweet potatoes. I'm happy with the harvest, even though it's not what I wanted. Any harvest is a good harvest. I hope you enjoyed the video and you got something out of it, and that it brought a little smile to your face and a little joy to your heart. If you enjoyed the video, give me a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, take a moment to consider doing so. I can grow a lot of vegetables and fruit by myself, but I cannot grow the channel without your help. If you do decide to subscribe, don't forget to hit the like button and the notification bell all, so you'll be notified whenever I upload new content. Chances are, if you like my content, your family and friends will as well. Until next time, always remember, even in small spaces such as mine, you can grow a great amount of food for yourself and your family. Stay blessed, stay strong, and grow, grow, grow. Lastly, and most importantly, always give the thanks to God, for without Him, we are nothing. Until next time, take care.